So this one I bought from IKEA, Bondtolvan LED alarm clock. So guys इसका प्राइस था 999, 1000 रुपीज़ में मुझे मिली एंड बॉक्स के अंदर कुछ भी नहीं था। तब मुझे पता चला कि दे ट्रिक्ड मी. So what happened while buying, I verified that does it have one micro USB cord and one cable. So I saw this and I bought it. But later box में नहीं था ये, it was not there. So I was like, why, where it is, like I searched inside the box, it was not there. But then I read this, see, it's not written inclusive, it's written exclusive. So guys, I didn't like it. Like from a brand like IKEA, this is something like cheating, right? You have thousand things to buy. That time you will just see the images, right? You'll see, okay, it has a cord, it has a this, good, but you won't read this small way like exclusive. So this thing I didn't like. I would say it's kind of cheating from IKEA side. And about the clock, so this is the clock. So it's very lightweight, very light. I would say 200 gram or something. And you have to apply your own charger here. So I don't know what they call. I think it's type B or something. So below there's a gap. You can also do wall hanging. And इसके display को you can press this button. इसका display you can make it off, highest, little less, off. And फिर इसमें alarm का function है. You can use 2 alarms. See, one alarm is at 10, second is also 10. So 2 alarms are kept for 10. So yeah, that's what it is. So overall 999 mein, if you ask me, it's costly. It's like 600 700 was better. So 1000 rupees 999, I would say it's costly, not good. And second thing, this cheating what they are doing, like in the bag they'll write exclusive. You yourself think guys कि एक्सक्लूसिव कौन लिखता है कि नहीं है इसमें ये दोनों. आप कुछ मत लिखो, कस्टमर समझ जाएगा कि yes, there is nothing. But with exclusive, like I felt it's cheating. So yeah, thank you.